that's like no one's car, like legit. I feel really bad if it was.
Go ahead.
Are you sure? Okay, it's fine. Can you see anything? Oh, wow, that's awesome. Okay.
Yeah, I got me a new iPod.
That's so cool. Is it the iTouch or?
It's, I don't know, 4th gen. It's brand new. I know. Oh, that is awesome.
Are you sick of spending trillions of dollars?
That is fantastic.
Feel any safer?
I don't have much time. Oh my god, they're seriously beating a car to death with a sledgehammer.
This is fantastic.
In the center of school.
Yeah.
That is awesome. And of course the very elderly gentleman with the legalized marijuana, the political rally.
I love it.
Had to add that.
Yes.
Stop bombing Africa. That's lovely. And every time they take a swing, somebody walks in front of me.
Take a swing.
Wait. That's awesome. That is awesome.
That's nuts.
Bitching that it's unsafe.
The windows are out.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's okay. I'm pretty sure. They're taking,
Somebody's parents are going to be very mad.
They're taking out.
Wait. That's awesome.
They're taking out the air of the tires.
Yeah, they have to.
Yeah, so it's not gonna roll.
Oh my god, that is just freaking awesome. Yeah, this is really just amazing.
Yeah.
They had a car hauled in here by a tow truck to drop it off in the middle of, I don't know, what is this, the quad?
Yeah, or just like, I guess the straight plaza.
Whatever. At Illinois State University, this is what you see between classes. As you hear the people on the megaphone.
I know, right? And then the people at the G-spot saying, that's not okay. That is not okay.
Are we going to start bombing next? Bring our troops home.
How about you?
How about Texas? Okay, I'm done.
love you.
I'm done.